Right, and then Odo Ahomaso meaning say obu atoye because anytime you see them, you know, so we are really going to learn something really different here. So today, you know, Mercedes, she's a nurse and also a lab technician, and you know, she's been saying sometimes when people come to the hospital, it's like go to lab and go and do this test, go and do that test. It's like they are scared. They don't know. They get there and it's like, hey, what is that? But there are a lot of infections going around. Oh, biara, we are human beings. Yempo. Bet me are infected. Bet me are cold. Bet me are infected. Now, never be brave. It happen. Until today, no, our sister Frederica is going to take us through. Sorry, Mercedes. I keep saying Frederica today too.
Yeah.
Give me 5, baby. Yeah, Mercedes is going to tell us, I mean, give a little bit enlightenment on what we should do, how we should keep ourselves staying away from infections, and then when we get to the laboratory and we're supposed to do certain tests, it's normal thing, so we shouldn't be too scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with all ears, we're listening to you.
Firstly, I would like to say we should protect ourselves. That's the first thing. We should protect ourselves.
When you say we should protect ourselves, what do you actually
Okay. If we are running from or we want to be safe from infections and diseases,
yeah,
we should protect ourselves by using condoms. Condoms.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We have the male condom and we have the female condom.
Yeah.
We should use them because abstinence is the best.
Me that say.
Yes.
Me that say for putting that one through. Me that say. Yes.
Abstinence is the best. And be faithful to your partner.
Yes.
But how many people want to be faithful or live with abstinence? So there's an option that is you can use condom to save yourself from sickness and diseases.
Okay.
You understand? That's the first thing I would say. Now, if you, as a human being, let me talk about the ladies. As a woman, you have to know yourself.
Okay.
Externally and internally, you have to know yourself. Yes. You have to know yourself very well. The reason is when you know yourself, when there is a problem, you are going to know that you are sick or you have an infection. That is the reason I say you have to know yourself.
Okay.
Yes.
So sometimes people have infections and they don't even know they have it,
They don't even know.
Wow.
Yes.
This is serious.
They don't even know. That is why I say you should know yourself. As a woman, if you have infections, like you know your normal odor. You should know your body odor. You should know your vaginal odor, your discharge odor, your menstrual odor. As a woman, you should know them.
So you should know the entire body.
Yes.
Because sometimes your armpits will smell. Sometimes your mouth will smell.
Thank you.
Sometimes you'll see that, I mean, took off my panties and the smell, is it the urine or is it what? So if you're in this smelling, you would know, right?
Yes, so that is why you should know yourself as a woman. So when you are having these strange odors, then you like, no, this is not normal. My urine is smelling this way, my pants is smelling this way. What is wrong? You understand? So that is, secondly, I would say you should know yourself as a woman. Some women are sick and they don't even know about it. They know they are sick, but because they don't know their body, outside, they don't even know anything. So they are just there, you know, and their sickness will be going on and on and on and on. So you should know yourself. Now, as a woman, when you have infection or a disease, what do you do? That is
okay. Moment. Adishimaima Odo Ahomaso ne. Eni nye ba Mercedes or eni nye Frederica from Liberia. It's not the first time I will Odo Ahomaso. Oma baswa. Nemo Mercedes. About tuntum na obo nkomo or your nurse say a lab technician. Enti ene say actress kraka hon. Hi baby. Well, today we'll do all that. Let's see what's been happening with you. But the option is say nipa da seni bia no a factor se ube nimu ho. Sabe so hunimu sometimes bibi bon was so say bibi akọ wrong e wo ho. Umotro me was so hu. Wenu me was so hu. Unaimu nantemu no am say bibi be ko chime bia na was so hu. Na wutu hu anamon ko hospital na etimi show. But sometimes you know, nipa bebre ye nim ye ho. Enti say yade bi kra ato yen ya ye hu ti yeti wo saa na doko yen na akoye de wo ho. Ye ban so na wo say ye koye lab ni niam bia na ase ehu aka ye. enti eno ho nkyerɛkyerɛ and ode mai obekoso. But before you go, I think Frederica, you've been nodding your head and things.
Yeah.
What do you want to add to it?
Okay, in addition to what she was saying here,
as
a woman, every woman from age 15 and above should have a gynecology.
From 15 years and above?
Yes, they should have a gynecology.
Okay.
That is, if they have a personal doctor, the doctor is going to educate them because most of our time, we African women, you know, we don't really know ourselves when it comes to this. So if you have a gynecologist, and as she was saying, you have to know yourself both in and out.
Okay.
Internally and externally. Yeah. Like you see, most of our African women, you know, the external part, they don't really show concern. They go to anywhere and urinate to a very dirty area. You know, we women, as we are urinating, we just sit anywhere and urinate. In that process, the place is contaminated.
You never know what has been put
what
there.
is there. So the heat from the ground mixed with the urine, it comes out, most especially when the sun is hot. Yeah. So it enters into the vagina, it turns into another thing at times. It starts from syphilis, it goes to gonorrhea, gonorrhea. I mean, it leads to different things. And the most dangerous things here is that we women, we store diseases within. Yeah, we get affected and
it's within us.
Within. We don't know. It is there. We're just there, and there like that. But when it comes to the males, anything that is there, they start to feel it because of the penis. They feel it in the testicles, you know? So, like, they feel it and they seek medical advice. But sometimes women, 6 months is going to pass before they discover that they have an infection.
It's true.
Yeah. So we as women, we should really take care of ourselves, the external and the internal. Yeah, at times you see a lady under the armpit is so brown, the muff, you know, the muff odor. Even the ears. Do you notice that more people don't take care of the ears?
Yes, yeah, they hardly clean their ears.
You see, it is brown.
It
you
smells.
See these things. So, but if you have a gynecology, they are going to educate you on how for you to take care of yourself in order to avoid diseases. And the last one, like I said, if you are having a boyfriend, you should get that boyfriend tested because you as a female, if you have a gynecology, that guy should also have a doctor to avoid diseases within the body because our girls and boys nowadays, they don't want to know. All they care about, bring their pants down
and that is it.
You know, at times they go on to do this blow job, but they don't know the type of the type of women the guy is sleeping with. You don't know the type. You know, men, most of them at times they are like that. They even sleep with mad women. Yeah, who are, you know, messy.
I know.
Yeah.
They do.
They behave abnormal at times. Yeah, they sleep with mad and you don't know how you feel because, oh, he's my boyfriend and this and that, but you don't know what he's doing outside.
Yeah.
So it's also good for that your boyfriend or your partner or your husband or wife, daughter or whosoever, they should have a gynecology and doctor to cater to them. To keep the body moving strong and healthy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Adeshimama, indeed, today we are blessed on Odo Ahomaso. Thank you so much, wherever you are, even in the diaspora, Ghana here, everywhere, we are really learning here. Adeshimama, Frederica, Eddie, I saw Mercedes the so. Also, yeah, man, you have a problem, kasi pa. If you say, Sabi, unam na junso de wa obakoto. Now we say, "Eto bi na Jenson no ede wo pa na okoto na APS anu a intutu eba na wa hwa na akọ ho." Ho nso no unim said ho ne tie so ho. Ebia infections bi na afeye ekowre mu sa anu a ye huninten. After 6 months, 8 maybe a year and san apie. Na remember they sometimes they are so lucky. So timu wa moshu anu ma na je say pie na ntente mama akokwe na de me den say wo kan say at age 15 years there won't me can say they will take you're controlling your own self but anke be say o parents be mo enya special doctor na gynecologist na wetimi a kyerɛ wo body no ene niema bebree ebeboa ye papa empratwefue awafue da ben na mokoye health check mo ankasa a very important kan ya kosi ebi kra say mema ni bi kra sabio ebi ni monamfo da ene we hu no so ahia no na wo ni be free anything no your health and very key to us and na ebeboa yen let's